What the fuck is up, motherfuckers? Crazy Eye up on this motherfucker. Carnival spirits, daily spirits. It's my topic, and this one's gonna be a little different, a little more interactive. Hopefully we get the ninjas even on the channel talking to each other and start up this fucking guessing game, alright? So first, I want you to do is pick one psychopathic artist or Juggalo-related artist that you think would be a good leader or politician, president, or prime minister. Someone that would actually benefit the country, okay? But I want you to keep it to yourself, alright? And only reveal to us who it is by dropping quotes of songs and lyrics, possibly events they've been at, release dates of albums. Don't use like album names, that's just too obvious. You know, maybe groups they've been in or record labels they've been signed to, people they like to work with the most, maybe something like that. You know, just subtle clues and get people thinking. All right, and yeah, I think it'd be a lot more interactive, getting people to actually drop comments, and if they're curious enough, you know, they'll be guessing what you think or who you think would be a great politician, president, or prime minister, and who would actually, you know, turn some shit around and make the society for the people and by the people. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, maybe you're not too into politics, but yeah, who gives a fuck? I want to know. Anyway, yeah. Peace out. Much kind of love. And even if you're not a member on this channel, motherfuckers, you can make a video and drop some subtle clues on who you think would be a good president, and let us guess. That would be the shit. So, yeah. Peace.